Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng chicken inasal. Ang kikilanganin natin, 1/2 cup ng soy sauce, about 3/4 bottle ng pinakurat. This is the pinakurat, spicy coconut vinegar, about 6 cloves of garlic, about let's say 2 inches worth of ginger, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice, or if you get calamansi, even better. We're using lemongrass, about 2 stalks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 whole chicken. And for the basting sauce, we'll use anato or achuete, just for color, and some margarine. We'll just prepare all our marinade for our chicken inasal. So first we'll just chop our garlic. Okay, let's put some garlic into our bowl. We'll grate some of our ginger. And then with our lemongrass, just mash them. And then we'll just chop the lemongrass. We'll put 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of our lemon juice, then next will be your spicy coconut vinegar. It's called pinakurat. Shake it first. We'll use about 3/4 of this bottle. So you can always adjust your recipe to the taste you want it to. So it's about 1 cup of the coconut vinegar. So I just added cracked black pepper, 1/4 cup of sugar, and to this we'll add our chopped up chicken. Namit. Okay, we'll just quarter our chicken. So we'll just save all of these fat. We'll use it for later. We'll make some chicken oil. That's what you use also for basting. And some people use it for the rice. Just cut it in half. Cut them off. Just pour in our marinade, and then we'll just leave it overnight to marinate, or you can at least marinate it for about 3 hours before using, so you get all the flavors infused already. Okay, let's put it in the fridge. We will make our chicken oil. So in a cold pan, we'll put in our chicken fat, and we'll just render it down. So when rendering, you start with cold, and then put it on the high heat, and then until all the oil comes out of the fat. So this will be our basting sauce. I get like a spoonful of butter, the more the merrier, and some anato powder or achuete powder. And then to this we'll add our chicken oil. will be our basting sauce. And some people, they keep the chicken oil, they put it over the rice. Luluto na tayo ng chicken. That's marinated overnight. With a hot grill. Our basting sauce is ready. Make sure you oil the grill also. We'll cook with the bone side down first. And the usual, it comes together with the chili soy sauce with the calamansi, or if you can't find calamansi, with lemon and some onions. So that will be our sauce. Namit, kain! Paalam! Kain na!